That must mean it's someone's birthday. That's typically what that means when you see something like that. So, fortunately, there is a self-bought birthday present that is getting ready to be unwrapped for the first time.
For your viewing pleasure today, we're going to unbox an Echo CS590 Professional. 59.8cc, 20-inch bar. Pretty good little saw, I think. Hopefully. 5-year consumer warranty. Best warranty you're going to find for a saw. 1-year commercial. Let's get to it. Let's get down to business. So, packaged pretty nice, pretty stout. Didn't have any issues on the way home. Let's open this puppy up and see what happens. Alright, we got a lid. Looks like down in here, got a scrunch. That would be a nose guard. That is probably not going to get put on the saw. Let's lift this out. What do we see down in there? There's the saw. Let's dig that puppy out of there. What do you think? All right. There it is. Let's see what we got in the box, the rest of the box, before we go any further. Alright, so like I said, nose guard, scrunch. Comes with a, what's it, probably get you a gallon, yeah, 1 gallon mix comes with it. Safety manual, we don't read those. Looks like a instruction manual. Probably some good little tidbits of info in there for later on down the road. Looks like about it. Quick start guide attached to the handle. Give you some good info for a quick start. Let's go ahead and unbox it the rest of the way. Try not to rip your hand off. Try not to rip my hand off, I should say. It's on there good, y'all. They don't want that cutting anybody. That's a really, really sharp shave. It's unboxed. First impressions are good. No tool, air cleaner service. Watched a lot of reviews on these saws, and they're supposed to be really good for the money. Decompression switch up top for all you wusses out there. On-off switch, choke, gas, oil. There it is, CS590. Go pick you one up today. We'll try it out tomorrow and let y'all know how it goes.